Right, so this is half an hour after I've put the curry goat to not really fry, but to to cook down in oil. This is the first segment. You understand? That's the first segment. So once it rise, this is 40 minutes. It's been cooking. So what I'm gonna do at this point, this is the seasoning. Obviously, I've seasoned up my curry goat from yesterday with onions and sweet pepper. And Tasha, all this for me. I'm gonna put a bit of mixed herbs in it. All that for me, darling. Good boy. That's it. Good boy. I'm gonna put a bit of mixed herbs. Gonna put a bit of mixed herbs in it. You understand? You're not too young to learn how to cook too. And the next step is to add some water to this. I'm gonna add some water to this here with all the seasoning. Mix around all the seasoning in it. And then I'm gonna pour it into this. Understand? I'm gonna pour it into that. And it still have another roughly, my curry goat have to be well soft, so I would say another half an hour or so. I'm gonna leave it on a slow fire. You understand? And let it simmer down. You know? Let it simmer down. And then in a little while now I'll come back to it. Let me check on my rice and peas, how it's bubbling. All this for me, darling. All that. Check on the rice and peas. I'm just gonna check the peas to see. Wow, it's getting soft. Maybe another half an hour. Another half an hour or so. And then this peas will be ready. Because the peas have to be well soft. You understand? Really soft. So that's the second stage of the cooking there. This is coming on nicely. I can put a pepper in this if I want to, but obviously kids are coming, so I don't want to make it too hot. In fact, come here, Tasha. I'm gonna put this just on the top. I'm gonna just put it on the top there like that. Understand? And cover it down and let it simmer down. Let me have a closer look at it. You see? The curry goat is cooking down. You have to make sure the meat is soft. Nice and soft. I'll come back to that later on. Yeah. So really, at this point, because the peas is soft, all that, Tasha. What I'm gonna do at this stage, right? I'm gonna put some thyme. I'm gonna put some thyme and ginger. Where's the ginger? Oh, ginger and some scallion. Or some people call it spring onions. Understand? Oops. And then it's a good habit to sort of, hold on. to beat it like that. Yep. And then I'll have to wash it. Stay there. And then I'm gonna this is ginger. You understand? I'm gonna put this in it. Come over this side out. My pouring pea. So I'm gonna put the thyme, the garlic, and the scallion. Then at this point I can put a bit of all-purpose seasoning for it to cook down. Rice and peas take a while. It's no easy fix. No easy fix at all. You gotta know when this is almost ready, when you see the custard coming up. You understand? You see? Look at the state of the, you see the peas, how ready it is? So because the natural coconut is in it, it gives it a lovely flavor. You see? It's getting soft. So I've still got another. I would give it, let me check this. Check on the curry goat. I would give it another this have a while to go. Yeah. This is not gonna be ready for now. Let that stay there and simmer down. It after I could suppose put it in the pressure cooker, but can't be, I don't think I can be asked at this point. So give it half an hour. Nice, lovely. Give it half an hour or so and the rice and peas will be ready. So this is part 2. Part 3 now is when I finish seasoning, put the rice, and then show you the outcome of this cooking. It's going to take me roughly, altogether it's take me about 2.5 hours to prepare. You understand? That's how it is on a Sunday. Rice and peas on a Sunday.